This video is made strictly for educational purposes and features meaningful original text commentary to provide added value and insight.
Imagine one of these places during the day, and then imagine one at night.
Mm-hmm.
And which would you assign to which?
I would assign graveyard to the nighttime, creepier one.
And cemetery to the day?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, same.
this is not Avon, right? This is a house inside Indianapolis. Took the initial report, and I think at that moment, the officer that took the report didn't really get into the details about where was she last seen, and what city and what town. And so what happened was that report was taken about 11 or 11:30 on Friday night, and an investigator was not provided the file until Monday morning, late morning, early afternoon on the following Monday. So you figure now you're waking up on Monday, the 18th of March, you're a detective.
I'm suffering dramatically from it, probably, but I don't believe in it, so.
Okay, but
You probably.
I'm curious,
I'm sure.
just from a practical perspective, is there anybody you're currently worried about?
You mean the mafia?
I just, yeah.
Well, let me put it this way. You obviously never read the book.
I haven't read the book yet. I just got.
You definitely never watched 60 Minutes.
I have not. So.
Okay.
I'm only doing 65. I feel like I'm the one going too fast today. Usually it's everybody passing me. Look over here to your left. Watch. Go across the middle. There it is. He come up fast. Wow. Just
Wow, he got real far, didn't he? Look, oh my God. I lose my mind.
funny. I'm finding it's kind of fun. Look at that shit.
Wow.
Oh my God, I'm going to be editing videos like crazy today. Good Lord. This guy shot across all his lanes just so he can get off the 72nd.
Nice looking truck.
And the case in a very general sense. Essentially, I wanted a better understanding of what Alyssa was going through and how her very unique upbringing and relationship with our father could have impacted her.
Off from everybody, and I was like, that's not what's happening, but please go look, you know.
Right.
And so Justin was in control of her Facebook account, so he could see the missing poster, he could see what I was putting.
Whoa.
From a different part of the country and joining the excitement there. The reason I think it has stayed so popular over 2 decades is because their music taps into the human experience. You have the experience of love, joy, pain.
Carolina, they really want to make sure that all just counted. Matter. Legislation a couple weeks away from election day. We have PW, I think it's his name is Harari. He is a Republican strategist. And guess what? CNN brought back Brian Stelter, Mr. Potato Head. The argument was over the hurricane response by FEMA.
Kind of cut me a little short there, buddy.
They're doing the job. You need to stop believing all of this misinformation that's out there. Immediate reaction to the federal government. That's what I'm saying. There's not an immediate reaction. It's not. What's going on? It happened 5 days ago. We should have helicopters in the sky of the United States. They've been there. Brian, it's completely not the story that people are hearing. You're right.